up, you guys, and welcome back to another video, another vlog by yours truly. I feel like I haven't vlogged for you guys in a while, so today we're gonna vlog a little bit. Even though it's just another home vlog, I just thought it would be different from me just blabbering on and on about life and issues and all of these crazy things. So, tonight I wanna go through my laundry, get the clean stuff on their own, the dirty stuff on their own. So we're separating clean clothes from the dirty ones. And tomorrow we're gonna wake up and do our laundry. Whew, I'm somebody that likes to sleep, so I probably will do my laundry in the afternoon. And I'm hoping I'm going to have free space to hang my clothes. It's the holidays, so people are gonna be around at home doing their laundry and the washing line is probably gonna be full. But we'll see. Let me show you guys the heap of clothes that I have ready to go through and sort out. Guys, look at this heap of clothes. Oh my gosh. There are also my handbags over there because I need to clean them out also. For my perfectionist, I like to have all of my things clean. So yeah, guys, that's what we want to do. We want to get all the dirty clothes put away for tomorrow. I know it's a little weird for me to be starting my vlog at night, especially with this horrible lighting. Forgive me, but let us work with what we have. I hope you love the video and stick around and comment down below. Let me know what's on your mind. Let me know what's on your mind. On your mind. On your mind. Let me know what's on your mind.
I'd like to do a song for those of you who take LSD.
one looking messier than I did earlier. I got my laundry finished, fixed some water. Since where I live, we don't have running water every single day. We store water. So I did that, hung my clothes on the washing line, and now I'm going to prepare my dinner or supper, whichever way you say it, depending on your location or your country. Whew, I'm exhausted. I am exhausted. And I just want to make mashed potato, some roasted chicken, and a basic cabbage salad. I just gotta chop my cabbage, put mayo, and that's that. And we'll see, I might end the vlog there, or I might do something else. We'll see how the evening progresses. And we'll also see how I'm feeling. As I said, I'm feeling super tired, so we'll see what happens next. I hope you guys enjoy this short vlog, spending the day with me the last weekend of December, last weekend of 2025. Let me know in the comment section how your December has been. In general, how has 2025 been for you? Let me know. I want to know how you're going to be working into 2026. Let me know, are you going to church? Are you going out with some friends? Maybe a barbecue or something? Comment all about it in the comments. So guys, I have my potatoes in this pot. I'm thinking of making mashed potato with half of the potatoes, and then I'm gonna make a potato salad for tomorrow, so that I don't have to do a lot of work tomorrow. So let's do that. So this is my potato salad. I did the usual. I used Crawford Blackwell mayonnaise and some wrinkle, the chicken flavor, and I'm gonna have this tomorrow with some beans, and I don't know what meat I'm going to use, but we'll see that tomorrow. I'm about to wash my face, change into my journey, and continue watching the Beauty and Black series by Tyler Perry, and recording a day in the night, Dodo Beach, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.